Yeah, it's raining a bit. Yeah, hi guys. So today we'll be going to our first ever Misfire car meet. So a little bit of some history here. Me and some friends, we started this car group um, 2 or 3 years back, right? And the reason why we started this car group is because we just wanted to go to car meets and car events as a group, right? So we don't, so we could to hang out lah, basically. And it's made of a lot of people I've met throughout my life, and it's not like it has a really crazy function. Show up, meet, go to a car group. That's essentially what all we do. So basically today we'll just share some footage of everybody's cars, maybe do like simple interviews, and then hopefully I won't have to censor a lot of content. And then yeah, you know how it is with guys and swearing and stuff and slurs, a lot of slurs. It's just really heavy editing. But other than that, we're hoping for like a decent turnout. I'm thinking there's like 5 people, and I think that's enough. You don't need like a really big group to start a car meet. In total, we have roughly 10 to 15 members who come and join for certain events, and they leave and stuff like that. But yeah, so the name was Torsion because we wanted like a car part that wasn't widely known, because it's sort of like us. So we wanted like the rear torsion bar. I mean, that was the intention behind the naming at that point in time. Eventually, it just doesn't slip off the tongue as well. And then with Malaysia, right, not a lot of people speak decent English, so torsion, there's so many different pronunciations. So we just recently I just decided to name it Misfire. Yeah, it's not like really cool. None of our cars have misfiring issues, but then like it's easy to come out with a logo for Misfire as compared to Torsion with the T's and stuff. But yeah, so hopefully we'll get to see a bigger turnout than expected. I put this sort of posting over on my social media to see if any other friends are coming along. And other than that, it'll just be like a chill, casual night. Yeah, this is my fit. Hopefully all goes well, no cops or anything. I know for a fact, if it's less than 10 members, we should not get issues by the cops, because at that point it's just a friend gathering. It's just when it comes to more than 10 members, that's where we need to start watching for our volume, no pops and bangs or that sort of stuff. But I mean, from my memories, none of my friends have heavily modified cars apart from this guy called Chan, right? Chan, he has like a Golf, it's stage 2, and it's not a GTI, but fucking hell, that car can run, right? But yeah, other than that, a lot of my friends, because we started this car group when we were still in university or even just doing our internship, we didn't have the funds to purchase a car. So over the years, we accumulated our funds, and eventually we got to this point where we could comfortably go to a car meet. So I'm just hoping for like a really peaceful and fun night, and I'll show you guys. Stay tuned for the footage. But yeah, here's a quick driving montage. So this is everybody that turned up at our car meet. We only have 5 people today. We got a Golf, a Myvi, a Mini, and this monstrosity Gold Cado. Just that it's half half. Hopefully next time more people show up. But yeah, this is what the R&R looks like. It's quite empty. There were a few Audis and stuff earlier today, but I sort of left to sort of just, we were just chilling now, to be fair. Yeah, that's basically what we have here today.
If it gets heated, right, at least you see like, or the judge will say stop, stop. Then you say okay, you won't come down. But online, no. Then they press mute all, and then suddenly you see, I just sit next to my boss go, ah! The office like that. Cover the camera, faster take the paper. Faster take the paper. Write down the date.
No need to poke my ass. The idea how to the judge got just keep the judge out. That's how you shit them out.
I think one line one.
都会在每一次应酬的柜台接了债，我拼就是告了状，发现你的房间，就这么快，我们间生活的差距，我想过太远，太远，我不能再让你找我的，所以我把你就拉黑了。4点钟我在包厢，在，我不知道你也会在。我猜你看了我演出心碎，我们的生活都更正常，很开心能陪你找到你爱的事，很感激你已经陪了我这么久。你在我心里是也许最纯洁的，留下的东西不像你说的，给我的那一份委屈不要了，不要了，因为我接受不了，我不想4年，我接受不了。结束是不能够承受的心，松开我，你向我手好的拥抱。祝愿你安，希望你幸福，希望你爱。太靠近别人，爱得太深，这缘分如残忍，去看开做完成。还说是朋友们，脸上浓红泪白，来呗，天也白，把事情都变简单。有些事要懂放下，有些事做的没办法，把这段感情埋葬于流沙。我跟悲伤牵着手，你在用眼泪现实。永远失去一个对的他心里的房，我跟思念同回忆，跟悲伤牵着手，毫无遗憾，于是光回到变成天堂。婚上喜欢关于派，香炉灯台上摆，长大才开怀。前程拜3拜，钱包里面都几百了，一直是6合彩，难的是来财，来财，来财，来财，来，终是对上的才能去，你不出手，说连财。这把指甲和月花前交朋友，把艺高人胆大，那么小人3条酒，那回归的社会线，你的头顶放关头，找你做事人太多，世界了不起，一阴一阳只买到志气东来，别拿表人的心，非来击败，桌上万将台前，将东家将把山中的社会上的梦境。北向南，中西有东，东南东北，西北西南，步步高升，八方来财，4海为家，家兴旺，百事可乐，千事吉祥，万事如意，顺风顺水，天道酬勤，鹏程万里。你不给你表示吗？啊？混着别老在，婚上喜欢关于派，香炉灯台上摆，长大才开怀。前程拜3拜，钱包里面都几百了，一直是6合彩。看的是灯牌，来财，来，来财，来，来财，来，来财，来，来，中指力滚力，对应航运8方来。
Yeah, guys, so that wraps up today. Turnout was 5 cars. That is 5 more than expected, but they're my friends mainly. But hopefully next time we get to see like a bigger roster for Spitfire Club. Not Spitfire, Misfire Club. And yeah, it was nice hanging out with everybody. I had like an RC car, so there's some gameplay there. But other than that, thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this sort of content. I'll try to do more of it. Take care, guys.